Hello, good afternoon students. Jai Sanskar. Now we reach the second point of this lesson number 16, and we are going to learn about in this lesson or in this point the vermicomposting. Yes, the worms. You know the word, you know the meaning of this word worms. Worms means the small tiny insects that is found inside the soil, જે મોસ્ટલી કાળી જમીનમાં જોવા મળતા હોય છે, ઇનસાઇડ ધ સોઇલ જોવા મળતા હોય છે, that is worms, જેને આપણે ear or earthworms પણ કહીએ છીએ. Let's read and understand the point. We can be friend of a plant by supplying them with compost. We will also be very good friend to ourselves by making compost. Talking of your friends. Do you know that earthworms are called the farmer's friend? See, આપણે લોકો એકબીજાના ફ્રેન્ડ્સ હોય, એકબીજા સાથે વાત કરીએ, એવી જ રીતે તમે જાણો છો કે અર્થવોર્મ છે એ ફાર્મર્સના ફ્રેન્ડ્સ છે. યસ, earthworms are the friends of the farmers. How? Let's read and understand. Let us find out how the type of the earthworm called red worms is used to compositing. This method is preparing compost with the help of the red worms is called vermicompost. જે જમીનની અંદર જે રેડ વર્મ્સ જોવા મળે છે, વિચ ઇઝ ડીકમ્પોસ્ડ, જે મૃત્યુ પામે છે અને ડીકમ્પોઝ થાય છે, દેન ઇટ ઇઝ યુઝડ એઝ અ વર્મિકમ્પોસ્ટ. એને તમે ખાતર તરીકે ઉપયોગ કરો છો because it body release the nitrogen gas which is very beneficial for the plant. So let's read and understand ahead. We can try to make a manure by vermicomposting at school. You can try it at school also. How? Let us perform an activity. Activity 2. Let us dig the pit about 30 cm deep or keep a wooden box at the place which is neither too hot nor too cold. What about a place which does not get direct sunlight? Let us now make a comfortable home for our red worms in the pit or a box. एक काम करो, take a box or dug a pit, then put some worms inside it. Whether you can perform it into the school where the sunlight not directly falls, or you can be comfortable. If you are comfortable, you can perform this activity either at home also. But remember, the wooden box should not be too hot or too cold. Spread a net on a chicken mess at the bottom of the pit or a box. You can also spread 1 to 2 cm thick layer and sand as an alternative. Now spread some vegetables waste, include the peels of the fruit over this layer of sand. Now what you need to do, when you dug the pit or you have put some wooden box, so you can spread some sand on it, then you can put you can keep some vegetables waste peels inside that. જે વેજીટેબલ્સના છિલકા હોય છે એને તમે એમાં એડ કરી શકો. One can also use a green leaves, piece of dried stick and the plant and husk or a piece of a newspaper or a cardboard to spread over the layer of the sand. અને સેન્ડના લેયર ઉપર તમે આટલી વસ્તુ બી રાખી શકો. However, the shiny or a plastic coated paper should not be used. But remember that plastic coated paper should not be used because plastic cannot be degraded. So it is non-degradable material, so the compost cannot be prepared. For this purpose, dried animal dung could also be used as a spread over a sand or a wire mesh. તમે જે કંઈ બી પીટ બનાવ્યું હોય કે પછી બોક્સ લીધું હોય એમાં તમે ડ્રાય કાઉ ડંગ બી યુઝ કરી શકો, એનિમલ ડંગ બી યુઝ કરી શકો. Sprinkle. See, this is what we are doing right now. We are preparing vermicomposting. We are preparing natural fertilizer, that is vermicompost. And for that we dug a pit, then we add some sand on it, then we add some vegetable peels on it, which is we used to throw out from our kitchen. So all the things that is available very easily and result is very very good. તમને જે manure મળશે, તમને જે ખાતર મળશે, it is very beneficial for your plant for the growing well. Sprinkle some water to make the layer wet. Take care of 2 axes to water. Do not press the layer to waste to keep this layer loose and so that it has sufficient air and moisture. Now what you need to do, after digging a pit, then putting a sand, then putting some vegetable peels over the sand layers and then add some water, but do not press the things, because if it is pressed, then what happens, there is no pores left between them and the air cannot be passed and even the pressure is created. Now your pit is ready to welcome the red worms. Buy some red worms and put them into your pit. Cover them loosely with a gunny bag or old sheet of clothes or layer of the grass. હવે આ બધા વસ્તુ ઉપર તમે રેડ વર્મ્સને ખરીદીને એમાં નાખો and then what you need to do, you need to cover it with the gunny or some soft clothes that is available or they're best in your house, or even you can make the layer of grass. Your red worms need food. You can give them vegetables and a fruit waste, coffee or a tea remains, and bits from the fields of a garden. It might be a good idea to bury this food about 2 to 3 centimeters inside the pit. Do not use the waste that may be contain salt, pickles, or oil, vinegar, meat, and milk preparation as the food of your red worms. સી તમારે રેડ વર્મ્સને લઈને આવવાના અને વેજીટેબલ પીલ્સ આપણે એટલા માટે નાખી કેમ કે ઇટ ઇઝ અ ફૂડ ઓફ અ રેડ વર્મ. સી એક લાઈફ સાયકલ રેડ વર્મની છે ને પૂરી થઈ જાય ત્યાં સુધી એને જીવાડવાના. જીવવા માટે શું જોઈએ? ફૂડ. સો યુ કેન ગીવ ધેમ વેજીટેબલ્સ pills as a food and they happily eat it up. જો કેવું સારું છે, આપણે જે મેઇન ફ્રૂટ ખાઈએ એના છિલકા જે વધેલા હોય એને આ બિચારા રેડ વર્મ્સ છે એ ખાઈ જશે. સો બોથ કેન ગેટ ધેર ફૂડ સફિશિયન્ટલી. Very nice, but be always careful. The things that it listed here like salt, pickle, etc. should not be put inside the pit because by consuming that type of things, earthworm, red worm can be died. If you put these things into the pit, disease-causing small organisms start growing in the pit. Once in a few days, gently mix and move top of the layer of the pit. થાશે શું કે જે ડિસીઝ કોઝિંગ જર્મ્સ છે એ બનવા માંડશે અને પીટની અંદર ઉપરના લેયર સુધી આવી જશે. રેડ વર્મ્સ ડુ નોટ હેવ ટીથ. દે હેવ સ્ટ્રક્ચર કોલ્ડ ગિઝલ્ડ which helps them to grinding their food. એને ગિઝલ્સ હોય છે, દાઢ જેને કહી શકો. સો by this way they just swell up all the foods and they can grow. Help them to grinding their food. Powdered eggs, shells or a she cells could be mixed with the waste. This would help red worms in grinding their food. A red worms can eat food equal to its own weight in a day. એક રેડ વર્મને તમે એગ સેલ્સ અથવા તો પાવડરના ફોર્મમાં સેલ્સને બી તમે આપી શકો સો દેટ દે કેન eat the food very easily. Do you know that a red worm can eat up અકોર્ડિંગ ટુ ધેર વેઇટ પર ડે. સપોઝ કે એનો જેટલો વેઇટ છે એના વેઇટ જેટલું એ રોજ ખાઈ શકે. સી સપોઝ દેટ ઇફ માય વેઇટ ઇઝ 60 kg, I cannot eat food up to 60 kg. Even you cannot eat the food up to your weight, but red worms has such a quality that they can eat the food up to their weight. Red worms do not survive in the hot or very cold surroundings. They also need moisture around them. If you take good care of your worms, in a month of time their number will be doubled. જો તમે તમારા રેડ વર્મ્સનું ધ્યાન રાખશો because they don't need too hot atmosphere or too cold atmosphere. They can survive in a moistureful atmosphere. So you can give them some slides, some dry things along with some water. So they can be doubled very easily. Observe the content of the pit carefully after 3 to 4 weeks. Do you see loose soil-like materials in the pit? Your vermicompost is ready. જે તમને લૂઝ સોઇલ જેવું દેખાશે, ઇટ્સ યોર વર્મિકમ્પોસ્ટ. એ થોડા વીક્સ પછી વર્મિકમ્પોસ્ટ થઈ ગયું છે because worms has a life of some weeks and after that they get died, and then when they get mixed they create some nitrogenic atmosphere and which is very helpful to the plant. Put some waste as a food in your corner of a pit. Most of them worms will shift towards the part of the pit, vacating the other part. હવે મોસ્ટલી તો બાકીના જે બચેલા વર્મ્સ છે એ સાઈડમાં વયા જશે, એને થોડા સાઈડના કોર્નરમાં થોડું ફૂડ આપી દેવાનું. Remove the compost from the vacated part and dry it the sun for a few hours. Your vermicompost is ready for use. Vermicompost ready થઈ જશે. The part left that pit has most worms in it. You can use this for the preparing more compost or share them with the other users. હવે જે બાકીના બચેલા પાર્ટમાં જે વર્મ્સ છે એને વળી પાછા તમે સેમ પ્રોસેસથી વર્મિકમ્પોસ્ટ ખાતર મેળવી શકો. Use this excellence vermicompost in your post, gardens and fields. In this sport, like getting the best out of waste, those if you have a good agriculture field, then can try vermicomposting in a large pits. You can save a lot of money that is spent into the buying expensive chemical fertilizer and manure from the market. See, આ રીતે વર્મિકમ્પોસ્ટ ખાતર બનાવીને યુઝ કરવાનો સૌથી મોટામાં મોટો ફાયદો એ થશે that you can save your money that you are just spending by buying a very expensive fertilizer, chemical fertilizer from the market. So here the 16.2 is over.